Okay, so we're doing a room tour 2020 over here. So, hello guys, this is the Testy Twins.
Okay.
So this is the Testy Twins, and today we are going to be doing a Reptile Tour 2020.
No, this is Reptile Room Tour 2020.
Sorry about all the not recording much.
Yeah.
Okay, so
we've had nothing to record,
but now we got some snakes and lizards. So first off, we're going to go with our rough earth snakes. Brayden, put the light.
Okay,
we have 3 of them, and what I'm about to show you, this one, pretty sure.
That is Rascal.
No, this is Noodle.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, there's one of them.
There's Rascal or Noodle.
Yeah.
No, probably Rascal.
No, Noodle's way small. No, yeah, oh, I don't get it.
Yes, well, Rascal. Okay, we're gonna try to find the other snakes. We have Rascal, Noodle, and Lobe.
Wait, get out of the way with your foot, dude. Let me try to get some good footage. Sorry about that.
Do you see his? Do you see his head?
I'm trying to look.
His head's by the leaves.
There he is.
You see him?
We are gonna make a herping video
today. And we'll probably upload one of these today.
Sorry about the lighting.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year's.
Yeah.
Well, it's not quite. It's after New Year's, but just Happy New Year's. Hope y'all had a good New Year's. So let me get the other ones. Let me get the other snakes. Real quick. Let me open their lid.
That's
they do have LED lights
to light their way.
Okay, so here.
These are rough earth snakes. Is that
a little bit?
Hold up.
He's our baby snake.
He's crazy.
Yeah. I'm like barely touching him, and he's like crazy.
Okay.
Oh, well, there he goes.
Where's Rascal?
You mean Noodle?
Oh, Rascal. Oh, where are they? No, that's Rascal. Told you. There's our biggest snake, Rascal.
He's crazy.
They are rough earth snakes, and they were caught in the wild.
Yeah.
We caught them because of birds. They were swooping around them.
No, we caught them because...
Well, this one's an adult. About 9 inches.
Is this good footage?
Yeah. It's just the lighting. That's...
Okay, get some good footage with the light. Crap. Help.
That fell.
I smell goodness.
Okay, you better do that. Let me just get some good...
That's my favorite spawn.
Let me try to get some good footage. Could you put everything back?
How did it fall?
There's two hangers.
Oh.
There we go. Are you okay, guys? It fell on our lizards. Okay, could you put the stuff back?
Yeah. Where's all the snakes? Are they okay?
Yeah.
Do you see a little bit?
No, I'm recording one. See, I'm pretty sure this is Noodle. Noodle's like a medium sized. They get up to 1 foot.
About a foot. Let me try to find a little bit in a minute.
Wait, I need more lighting.
I know.
Oh, are you okay?
What happened?
Nothing. Oh, that body is just like growing around her head.
Is that a little bit?
Oh no.
Where is he?
That's Noodle. Oh, a little bit went underground.
No, he's right there.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Here's Rascal. These are colubrids, rough earth snakes. Dang. You need to chill, man.
Keaton.
Yeah.
When do we need to feed him again?
We can feed them right now, but they won't probably eat.
Do you want to try?
Hey, wait, no, not right now. We'll do it at the end.
Yeah, we'll try to feed him at the end. Move.
Okay, so we're gonna be. Did you touch him?
Yeah, I need to go.
Okay, he's gonna go wash your hands.
And I'll record the footage of the lizards, guys.
So I'll get some exclusive footage of while he go wash your hands. I'll get some good footage of these snakes.
Okay.
Okay, we need the lighting. This one is noodle. Did you put everything back?
Yeah. How long has the video
The water bowl you didn't put back?
It's fine. How long has the video been?
5 minutes.
Okay, let's record this for one. Okay, so I'm going to record the wizards now. Okay, so we have Spike, Rango, and Izzy.
Oh, we have a Texas spiny lizard.
Yes.
And 2 anoles.
So I'm going to record Spike first.
Where's Spike? It's a Texas spiny lizard. They get about 11 inches. So,
Pretty big.
almost a foot.
No, they get more than a foot, man.
Yeah, they can get more than a foot.
So there's him.
Did you get some good footage?
Yeah, he started running. Okay, now
Get Izzy.
Izzy.
Izzy was the first one we ever caught. She is a green anole. She's just brown right now.
Yeah, she's brown.
Oh,
Where?
did you record her?
Wait.
Where did she go? You see her?
She's back there.
Oh yeah, this song. Doo doo doo. Doo 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 doo. It's from Chandler's Wildlife.
Okay, now where's Rango?
Rango is on that bridge. See? Right there.
Oh. There's Rango. Our biggest lizard. He's a male.
We have a male and a female, and we'll do a giveaway
Of what?
of baby lizards if they have ones, and baby snakes.
Oh yeah, we'll be getting a giveaway. We just have to know where you are.
Yeah, we'll maybe meet up somewhere. But not
So
right
there's
now.
Rango. They might have babies. I don't know.
Most likely.
And we might catch a baby lizard. Maybe we'll give that away. If we
Today.
can keep it, yeah.
Well, we're gonna be able to keep it because of this cage.
But we'll give it away.
This is about like a 30 or 40 gallon.
I think that'll be it for our reptile room tour. So I hope y'all guys have.
Okay, let's just get some more footage of the lizards because there's not much footage. Yes, we have a heat lamp for them. We have everything required.
Yep. And we have LED lights for the snakes.
Well, it doesn't really give off heat, but it gives off some heat.
What?
The LED.
Yeah. Oh, there's a cricket.
There is?
He ate it.
Who?
Oh, Spike almost ate it, dude. He tried it.
Oh, Spike. Where's the cricket?
It's over there.
It's like right there.
Dude, he tried to eat it.
Let's see if we could get it on. See Spike right there, that baby?
He tried
It's
to
a
eat
spiny
it.
lizard. Yeah, he tried to eat it. Bro, that cricket freaked out. Do you want to drop a worm in there to see if they eat it?
Yep.
That cricket went Super Saiyan mode. Where is Izzy? Where's Izzy? Oh. Hi, Izzy. This is a green anole.